Hello everyone, your Rashmi here from your Rice Person Soap. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support, cooperation, sale, feedback, nice feedback, your guidelines. Thanks a lot. Please keep it up. And today I have selected some beautiful exclusive collections only for you. So let me display. Very beautiful one, bright color also. 18JK1 is saree code, 2300 is saree price, pure handloom cotton silk kota weaving, very beautiful one with jamdani buta work. Let me open. Very exclusive one, red and black contrast looks. This one is full base part, beautiful fully hand weaving jamdani buta. This one is border contrast color and highlighted stripes line border, very exclusive one. This one is full base part, premium quality pure handloom cotton silk kota weaving, and this one is pallu part, jamdani pallu, fully hand weaving jamdani kota weaving work base, beautiful one, black contrast pallu, and this one is full base part, very beautiful one. This one is pleat section, black pleats. This one is pleats with buta kota weaving with buta design, jamdani buta design pleat section. This one is base part, upper part red with kota weaving design, contrast border, and this one is running blouse piece and same black shaded pallu end with beautiful jamdani work, fully hand weaving jamdani design, very nice one. Bright, beautiful look, soft, lightweight, comfortable, summer friendly also. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving, Banaras weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2800 for your exclusive looks, bright looks. This one also very bright one, black with red border. 18JK2 is saree code, 2700 is saree price, premium quality pure handloom cotton silk material with contrast red border, and full base part is beautiful fully hand weaving golden zari weaving work. This one is full base part, black with golden zari weaving work, and this one is beautiful contrast color red buta golden zari work, and this one is border contrast color red border, and this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully golden zari weaving fine stripes pallu, very exclusive one. This one is full base part, full base is beautiful fully hand weaving jamdani work. This one is full base part, fully work. This one is running blouse piece, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, premium quality pure handloom cotton silk material. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving work, Banaras work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3200 for your beautiful bright party looks. This one also summer friendly, based for your office wear, very bright looks. 18JK3 is saree code, 2300 is saree price, premium quality pure handloom cotton with silver zari border, and full base is beautiful printed one. This one is full base part, very beautiful print. This one is border, silver zari border, bright red shade with print, and this one is pallu part, silver zari stripes with beautiful printed pallu. Very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, summer friendly obviously. This one is full base part, very nice one. This one is running blouse piece, very nice one, beautiful printed running blouse piece. And I will suggest this cotton fabric ikat contrast blouse piece with this saree, very beautiful exclusive looks, premium quality pure handloom cotton fabric, and with this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2600 for your beautiful elegant looks, bright also. This one also very beautiful color. 18JK4 is saree code, 2100 is saree price, very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom silk cotton with beautiful weaving buta work, fully hand weaving polka design. This one is full base part, this one is golden zari border, this one is full base part, and this one is beautiful fine weaving polka design, multicolor, fine weaving polka design, golden zari border, and this one is muslin pallu with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work. Very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, very beautiful, exclusive looks also. This one is full base part. Full base is beautiful weaving polka design, multicolor weaving polka design. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is muslin pallu with fully hand weaving jamdani design. Very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable. And I will suggest the silk material with weaving polka, golden zari weaving polka work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2500 for your beautiful, elegant looks. This one also very exclusive one. 18JK5 is saree code, 3600 is saree price, very beautiful one. And this one is full base part. Base is linen by cotton weaving, pure handloom linen by cotton with silver zari weaving work. Full base part is fully silver zari fine weaving work. This one is full base part, fully hand weaving jamdani design, and base is linen by cotton with beautiful color sea green shade. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also beautiful one, fully hand weaving silver zari weaving design, very exclusive, soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, beautiful work, fully heavy silver zari weaving jamdani design, very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, best for your party wear also. And I will suggest this silk material, silver zari weaving work, buta heavy weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4200 for your bright, beautiful, exclusive party looks. Very beautiful, elegant looks. 18JK6 is saree code, 3800 is saree price, pure handloom natural fabric lane by lane with batik print, fully hand batik, very nice one, soft, lightweight. This one is full base part, beautiful, fully hand batik print. This one is batik printed border, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful, fully hand batik print, very nice one, premium quality, pure handloom natural fabric lane by lane with beautiful hand batik print, very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, summer friendly. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, beautiful hand batik print. And I will suggest this silk cotton fabric ikat contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4000 for your beautiful, elegant, exclusive looks. This one also very beautiful one, linen cut work design, fully designer work. 18JK7 is saree code, 3400 is saree price, very exclusive one, premium quality, pure handloom natural fabric linen by linen with silver zari border. And this one is beautiful multicolor box pattern design with silver zari, and full bottom part is beautiful mirror design, box with mirror design, fully hand work, very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is full base part, very beautiful one, natural fabric linen by linen, silver zari border. This one is beautiful pallu part, fully hand cut work design with mirror, very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, premium quality, pure handloom natural fabric lane by lane with cutwork design, very exclusive one, beautiful, elegant looks also. I will suggest this silk material with sequin work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3800 for your beautiful, elegant looks, very exclusive also. This one very exclusive one, exclusive design looks also. 18JK8 is saree code, 6900 is saree price. This one is very elegant, exclusive looks, premium quality, pure handloom resham by Gicha weaving. Let me open, very exclusive one. This one is full base part, resham with gicha weaving, fine weaving design. This one is border, beautiful contrast red stripes pattern weaving, and this one is full base part resham by gicha weaving, pure handloom, pure resham silk with gicha weaving. This one is pallu end, beautiful stripes pattern, beautiful pom-pom design pallu, very exclusive one. And this one is full base part, beautiful exclusive weaving design, resham by gicha weaving, very exclusive one. Contrast red threaded stripes pattern weaving border, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 7400. 7400 for your beautiful, elegant, exclusive looks. This one also, you know, very beautiful, bright one. 18JK9 is saree code, 4600 is saree price, very exclusive one, pure handloom silk linen with beautiful contrast color with fully Banarasi weaving border, and full base part is beautiful fully digital print. This one is pallu, very exclusive, elegant looks. And this one is, you know, full base part, beautiful digital print, contrast color border with beautiful Banarasi weaving design, soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is full base part, beautiful printed, premium quality, pure handloom silk linen, contrast border, Banarasi weaving design. And this one is full base part, premium quality, pure handloom silk linen with digital print, very exclusive one. This one is full base part, very beautiful one. And this one is, you know, running blouse piece printed with beautiful border, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, premium quality, pure handloom silk linen, Banarasi weaving border, and beautiful digital print, very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, comfortable. And I will suggest this silk material with beautiful golden zari weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 5000 for your beautiful, elegant looks, bright also. And this one also, you know, very exclusive one, beautiful color combinations also. 18JK10 is saree code, 3400 is saree price, very bright, beautiful, elegant looks. This one is full base part, this one is full base part, silver zari border, premium quality, pure handloom, natural fabric, linen by linen with mirror design on border part, very nice one. This one is middle portion, stripes pattern, very exclusive looks. This one is, you know, pallu design, pallu also beautiful, fully hand cut work design, premium quality, pure handloom, linen by linen. This one is beautiful cut work design pallu. And this one is, you know, full base part, beautiful one. Middle portion is stripes pattern. This one is border portions, beautiful mirror design, silver zari border, contrast pink piping, very beautiful, exclusive looks. This one is running blouse piece, very soft, comfortable, exclusive, elegant, designer looks. And I will suggest this silk material with weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3800 for your elegant looks. You know, beautiful one, black base, very bright also. 18JK11 is saree code, 2000 is saree price, premium quality, pure handloom cotton silk, contrast border, and full base part is beautiful buta, fine weaving buta design. This one is, you know, upper portion, base part, beautiful one, fully multicolor, fully stitching weaving pattern buta, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable. These are beautiful fine weaving buta design, multicolor, fully stitching pattern weaving design. And this one is contrast border, one portion is pink and one portion is orange shade contrast border. And this one is, you know, pleat section is fully stitching stripes, weaving stripes pattern pleat section, very beautiful one. This one is pleats, stitching stripes. This one is running blouse piece, this one is pleat section, and this one is upper portions, beautiful fully stitching weaving pattern buta, and this one is pallu in very exclusive one, stripes pattern, multi-color stitching weaving stripes with beautiful buta design, very exclusive one, fully stitching weaving stitching pattern weaving design buta, very nice one, exclusive look, soft, lightweight, comfortable, summer friendly also. Contrast border, and I will suggest this silk material with weaving buta work, golden zari weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2400 for your beautiful exclusive looks. This one also fully designed work, cut work, 18JK12 is saree code, 3400 is saree price, beautiful color, golden zari border, contrast green piping, premium quality, pure handloom, natural fabric, lane by lane. This one is full base part, very exclusive one, golden zari border, stripes pattern border portions with mirror design, very nice one, fully designed work. And this one is pleat section is box and stripes pattern splits, very exclusive one. This one is pleats, this one is base part, upper part, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is box and stripes pattern combined pleat section. This one is base part, upper part, and this one is pallu and this beautiful cut work design work. This one is pallu part, very exclusive one, fully hand cut work with mirror design, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, premium quality, pure handloom, natural fabric, lane by lane with cut work design work. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4000 for your exclusive party looks. This one also very beautiful color combinations, silk linen material, 18JK13 is saree code, 2850 is saree price, very beautiful one, silk linen with jamdani work, golden zari border, pure handloom one. This one is full base part, beautiful one, yellow base, golden zari border with contrast color, pink threaded weaving jamdani buta, very nice one, soft, lightweight. This one is full base part, beautiful jamdani weaving floral buta, and this one is pallu part, pallu also contrast color threaded weaving jamdani heavy work pallu, very nice one, soft, lightweight. This one is full base part, this one is full base part, beautiful weaving buta, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is heavy work pallu, contrast color threaded weaving heavy work pallu, soft, lightweight, summer friendly also. And I will suggest this silk material with golden checks with golden weaving polka work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3150 for your exclusive elegant looks bridals. This one also very beautiful one, 18JK14 is saree code, 7400 is saree price, very exclusive one, pure handloom hand spun matka, full base, let me open, beautiful one, full base part is hand spun matka with sail sequin work with resham weaving, let me open. This one is full base part, this one is resham stripes with sail sequin design, stripes design, very exclusive one. This one is pure handloom hand spun matka, very soft, feather like, soft, comfortable, and this is stripes pattern, pure resham with sail sequin design stripes, very exclusive one. This one is base part, upper part, and this one is pure resham pallu with fully hand weaving jamdani design, golden and silver zari contrast jamdani, fully hand jamdani design with sail sequin stripes design, very exclusive one. This portion is pure resham with beautiful hand weaving, silver and golden zari weaving jamdani design, and this portion is pleat section, fully shivori dye. This one is pleats, shivori dye, resham stripes, cell sequin stripes work, and this one is running blouse piece. This one is pleats, and this one is base part, and this one is pallu and pure resham with jamdani. Very exclusive, elegant work, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material with weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 7900 for your elegant exclusive looks. Very beautiful one. And today I have draped a beautiful bright black color saree, pure handloom natural fabric, lane by lane, with beautiful weaving, fine weaving border design, white thread with silver zari weaving border with highlighting golden zari temple weaving design, very exclusive one. This one is threaded weaving, fully weaving border with silver zari touch, and this one is full base part, beautiful golden and silver, golden and white threaded weaving buta, very beautiful one. This one is pallu part, pallu also very exclusive one, beautiful contrast weaving design. Stripes pattern, golden zari with threaded white threaded stripes, weaving stripes design with fully hand weaving jamdani floral buta, very exclusive one. Beautiful border design highlighting golden zari temple, and this one is full base part is beautiful buta design and black base, premium quality, pure handloom natural fabric, lane by lane. 4000 is saree price. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.